papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.
On behalf of my colleagues, Sri Ravishankar Prasad ji, Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani ji, Rao Inderjit Singh ji, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, and Sri Dhotre Sanjay Shamrao ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 5 in today's revised list of business.
Report of the Committee on Government Assurances, Sri A. Navanitha Krishnan. No, your voice is...
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. Sir, I rise to present the 74th report in English and Hindi of the Committee on Government Assurances.
Right. Reports of the Department Trade Parliament Standing Committee on Agriculture. Srimati Chaya Verma ji, Lok Sabha.
सर, आपकी अनुमति से मैं अपने नाम के आगे कृषि स्थायी समिति की एक प्रति हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में आपके टेबल पे ले करती हूँ।
धन्यवाद चाया जी। Action taken report on the Department Read Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemical and Fertilizers. Sri Arun Singh.
To lay the Hindi and English version of 7 action.
Thoda move kariye. You are personally may be close, but here you have to keep distance.
Sir, I rise to lay the Hindi and English version of 7 action taken reports of the Standing Committee of Chemical and Fertilizers as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Right. Reports of the Department Read Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs. Sri K.J. Alphonse. Sitting in the
Commission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee on External Affairs 2020-21. 1. Fourth report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations contained in its 23rd report on issues relating to migrant laborers, migrant workers, including appropriate legislative framework and skill development initiative for prospective immigrants. 2. Fifth report on action taken by government on the observations, recommendations contained in its first report on demands for grants of the Ministry of External Affairs for the year 2019-20. 3. Sixth report on the Anti-Maritime Piracy Bill 2019. And 4. Seventh report on action taken by government on the observations, recommendations contained in its second report on demands for grants of the Ministry of External Affairs for the year 2020-21.
Thank you. Report of the Department Read Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Dr. Banda Prakash.
Thank you, respected Chairman, sir. I raise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 16th report of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Security and Welfare Measures for Interstate Migrant Workers. Thank you.
Motion for election to the Committee